Good morning, John Sexton. I'm the Head of Engineering and Design for Guernsey Electricity. This scheme that we've got here at Ladies College is the fifth of a number of what we call community solar projects which we've installed, where we're basically looking for buildings where we can install significant amounts of PV, photovoltaics, and then connect those to the grid where they benefit the whole island.
It started as a project where we wanted to calculate our school's carbon footprint, so that was looking into, well, everything from energy to waste, transport and things like that. So we looked at all those different variables, got lots of data, did some research and found out the size of our carbon footprint, and one part of that was looking at solar panels as a way of producing energy.
I can imagine it's going to have a really positive impact on the school community and Guernsey in general.
The scheme here at Ladies College has got 121 kilowatts peak capacity of solar panels installed on the roof. It's about 290 odd solar panels. We expect that over the coming year to produce in the order of 130 megawatt hours, 130,000 kilowatt hours of electricity into the grid.
We're cutting back on massive emissions, which is like our overall goal, so it's a step in the right way.
To not only benefit the school itself, but also benefit the wider community as they connect back into the wider electricity grid.
It was really good to get involved with a project that wasn't just schoolwork, it was something that actually has an impact, and be able to see how our research is used in the wider world.
Guernsey as a whole, the states of Guernsey are currently developing the electricity strategy, which is setting the path for electricity generation and how the island produces its electricity going forwards. We see renewables as a really important part of that mix, and it's important to start on that journey as soon as possible to start developing these schemes.